So, okay, I'm going to give you a little tour today. A card trick with a deck that is...
Not red.
As you can see, it is entirely...
Red.
That's what is original.
Jean-Louis, you will tell me stop when you want.
Great, great!
What do you see?
The King of Diamonds.
Oh, incredible. King of Diamonds.
Jean? Yes.
I will go through the cards and you tell me stop whenever you want.
Great.
Okay, you saw it.
The Queen of Hearts.
Great.
I forgot to tell you something. The deck here, it is entirely blue.
It's beautiful. Yet, look, if we simply do this and that, did you see what just happened?
In the red deck, Jean-Louis, you saw a King of Diamonds. Do you see a King of Diamonds here? Wait, I'm looking there.
I don't see it. Very well. Jean, you stopped on a Queen of Hearts. Do you see a Queen of Hearts here?
No, I don't see Queen of Hearts.
Yet look here, if we look closely, we have a King of Diamonds. And if we look closely here, we have a Queen of Hearts.
And what's incredible is that here we have a deck that is red and the Queen of Hearts is blue. And here we have a blue deck and the King of Diamonds.